It's just a very short wee Scottish sonnet. Ach, a pity the poor wee penguins. Is he not a picture of woe? He's waddling around with his arse on the ground in the cold Antarctic snow. Not even a boot for to put on his foot, not even a hat for his head, not even a slipper he could slip on his flipper. Christ off the pure wee lad. It's a hard bloody life for the penguins. It's a nasty and ghastly and grim. He could be hit by a seal or a big killer whale if he ventures to go for a swim. Oh, it's tough right enough and him there in his buff, and the temperature is down below. Not even a nest to protect his wee testicles. Of Christ, I'd right to the poor wee penguin. The penguin's got nowhere to go. Raise up your glasses to the poor wee bastard and the bitter.